She about to purr. Straight pipe next. Dual tips. 10 inches. 12.
Straight from the headers.
Yeah, you ignorant as fuck. Yeah, you getting blocked for sure. I swear to God, you getting blocked. You got the cleanup crew right there and shit. Type shit. You know what I'm saying? He about to be ignorant.
Nah.
That's what, son. Son got a resonator delete going on. Y'all know the vibes. Got done washing this bitch. Got a little 6-inch going on. Ran into some complications though. See that shit? No. I don't even know what fucking head. See that shit? Damn, bro. The only one. Everybody ate food.
Man, pick that shit up, GD. What you doing, fool?
Big ass bread. Hey, part 2 of that shit. Listen to me and JD shit. That's crazy.
What's up, 5'4"?
Can we get the fuck out of there?
Bro, why you? Bro, when I saw you, I cracked up. There.
What up, man?
Ah, son, damn. He's throwing that meat at you.
It makes no sense, bro. No sense at all. You like me or something?
Got lights for reflection. Bite your lips. You make it vertical. Let's go dump it on this machine. Yeah, this is there. Where's the other one? Oh my god. How you doing?
You see this ignorance, huh? His boyfriend cheated on him. That shit was cinematic focus on Ryan's face the entire time.
Bro, you should have like scooped it up.
Oh my god!
Hey, pipe the fuck down.
Stop. Delete that. Stupid ass.
Man, stop.
Juicy, keep fucking
Stop calling my friend stupid. Oh, hell. Don't make me think. Oh, that's it.
Put the belt up. Put it up.
Motherfuckers keep the thing out. Get your thing out. Playing on her phone. I'm not.
Nigga, you like a white mom.
I know my mama used to do that shit to me. Fuck.
Mom used to jump on the back.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Finally got the 10 to 12. Putting that bitch on right now. We slapping. Got the fucking rack of peen drop right there. No, that's the rack of peen drop. That's the upper patrol on drops right there. I got new ball joints, new everything, new struts. Body mount kit, but I'm not putting that on. You know what I'm saying? We got new struts, new ball joints, new control arms, cognito, tape shit. About to slap this bitch on real quick. It'll take a couple hours, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna get to work. You know what I'm saying? I got my boys helping me and shit, but that bitch gonna be, I feel like that bitch gonna be big as fuck. But, you know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, though, we about to slide good, though. Y'all know the vibe. That bitch is white. I'm gonna just slap it on. I'm gonna get that bitch powdered sooner or later. But right now, I'm not worried about it. I'm just worried about slapping that bitch on. But I'm gonna show y'all what that bitch look like once I'm done with it. And once we got everything on. Putting down the new ball joints. Fuck that powder. Powder already fucked, so I don't really give a fuck. So before y'all even see anything about him hammering, I don't give a fuck. The powder already fucked up. We got both face plates on. We still gotta figure out a way to put. I don't know how we gonna figure that out, but we gonna figure that shit out. I don't know about that, but doing all that shit. About to try to get the little ball joints pressed back in. And yeah, got the new struts. I'm gonna put the 3-inch top level on with the little track bars. All that shit. So, get back with that. But that's what we doing. But we getting to it, y'all. I'm gonna check back in with y'all once we make some more progress.
I love you, J-Lo. Just love you, bro.
On my heart, bro.
On my heart, bro.
You gotta get a thank you on this YouTube channel, son. I ain't
yeah,
even
for
lying,
sure.
son.
Oh, shit.
Especially to that man right there. You get this man right here, son. Big
You know what you need? A treadmill.
Shut up with your stretched out ass fucking shirt.
I wonder why.
The man behind the camera.
Facts.
Anyway, son, let's get this wheel on here, son.
What is it?
God, son, this bitch a monster now. I don't know, ain't it?
Can you wait?
What you mean?
He said, can you wait?
I'm moving into this. And I gotta see how high he has to go, because I know you don't want to pick this bitch up.
Bro,
You have to.
Oh my God, bro, this is fucking retarded.
You should be almost there.
Yeah.
You there.
You're right there,
You
yeah.
there. No, I need to go a little bit more. You sure? Yeah, bring that
Bro,
up.
True.
Bro, this makes no sense, bro.
That bitch can be bigger.
Look, bro, you are ignorant.
Oh, yeah, that should be good right there.
It need to be bigger.
Matter. Yeah, you good.
What?
Need to be bigger.
Four inches more, huh?
Yeah.
You ignorant, son. Like, I ain't lying, bro. You ignorant.
Pick
I don't
that
want to pick this bitch up.
fucking pussy.
What was that? Right here. I got him lined up. He did this. Oh, man. Oh, damn. Logan, God is saying.
That will happen.
Hold on, son. Let's take a quick breather.
That will happen, son. Yeah, so finally finish that bitch up.
Way a little bit.
Yeah, juicy just as much as they will.
Damn.
Damn, why that wheel not want to turn? I mean, that roller.
Damn.
Hold the spindle, son.
Yeah, that's what I've been holding.
We need to pick it up.
Sideways. There you go.
Wait. You see it? You see it? Big drill.
Oh What's up, YouTube gang? This is the day after we finish up with the lift. That's how she's sitting. So she's sitting up pretty high. What y'all think? I feel like that white go good with that my red. I ain't hot. My maroon actually. But she's sitting pretty tall. Doing my alignment. Got a 79 struts, brand new Cognito uppers. With a 3-inch top level, 2-inch bottom. So, well, a 2-inch top level and a 2-inch bottom. So right now it's sitting at 14. I can go way higher, bro. Y'all see my angles, and I also got my. You see, cause the dude I bought it from said he had it was a rack of pin drop, but it wasn't. It was a fucking differential drop. That's what I thought it was, cause it looked like a differential drop. Cause I got fucking differential drops right there too as well. But I also got upper control arm drops, so if I want to go higher and my ankles start getting bad, I'ma just throw them upper control arm drops on, you know, and I can go up to fucking 20 inches if I wanted to, y'all. But that bitch looking good as fuck right now. I ain't lying. What y'all think? Drop in the comments below if y'all like the new lift. You know, I had to get it, bro. I couldn't pass that fucking lift up. You know what I'm saying? Brand new 10 to, well, I wouldn't say brand new, but parts wise is brand new 10 to 12 for 3,500. Fuck that show off. This bitch is discontinued, and I, you know, got that bitch for cheap, dirt cheap. So couldn't pass that shit up. So I ain't tripping about that shit. I'm gonna get that bitch powdered though. I'm gonna get that bitch powdered right now. I just want to slap that bitch on, slap with that hoe for a little bit. So, but yeah, she big. Look at the difference, bro. Look at the difference.